Guys, and in this video we'll learn about one-to-many relationship, and for that I have made one table which is the post as, and here you can see the four data in the post as, and you can see here user ID and you can see the title. Currently I am logging in with the user ID 102, and here you can see 102 and 102. So I have a two post, and user with the ID h1 has one post, and user with the ID 80 has the one post, and here are the all users that are here as well. So now we'll set up a relationship between the users and the post. So I think you now much clear about this, and from this two table, from the users and the post table, you came to know that one user can have many posts. That means a user with the ID 102 have two posts. That means one user can have many posts. So how we can retrieve this post of that particular user with the help of relation? Let's see that. So here I am in used model. Here I can go in the users model, and here just I want to set up a relationship same like profile, which I set up in previous video. So let's name it as the post as a relationship, and here we can return this, return $this, and has many. So one user has many posts, right? So we write app/post, which is the post model, which you can see here. I have made a migration file, I have made everything post, same like in the previous video that I have made, and I have seeded data as well. So now how we can phase these users with that particular post, and I have set up a relationship here, posted and post user have a post, and user has a many post. So if you go to task controller, here we can get all the users. Now let me get all users, and users is to, you can get user get, this will get all the user. Now what I want to do is that I want to load the relationship as well. So here if I write user with and the relationship name post as, and let me return this, return users. Now what you get is that you get users with that post as well. So if you go to this URL and let's reload this, now you can see that you get a user with a post. Suppose you can see here user with ID 25 has no post, user ID with 26 has no post. Let's get a user with a post. Now you can see here user with the 80 ID has one post, as we have seen in database, right? Similarly, user with 81 who have a post, and user with 82 do not have a post. So it, by writing this, it phase all the user with a post. But if you want to phase only those users who have post, then you can use the has. If I use a has, and if I refresh this again, then I'll get the user with only post. So here you can see user with ID 102, 81 and 80 are only phased because this user have the post in the post table. So now what I want to do here is I want to compact this, and I want to for loop that in my views. So here I can go in the home.blade.php, and here I'll do the for each loop for each users as users, users as user, users as user, and close this for each here in for each. So what this will give me is that this will give me a like a p tag, and this is will give me the username which I faced from the users table. So if I do this, then I'll get definitely the username. Here you can see I get the username who have the post. I got a 3 username. Now how do I get the post posted by that user? So we have already said that this user has a many user can have a many posts, right? So user table can have many posts means that one user can have many posts. So for that, in order to get the post posted by this user, what I have to do is I have to loop this again. So here I'll write for each, sorry, here I'll write for each, and for each, and user for each, which is the user, and our relationship name is a post as. I'll write a post as and adds post, so that I'll get the post posted by that user, and I'll close this in for each here. So now what I get is that I'll get the post posted by that user here. So now I can write easily post and the title, title, and let me write this in the p tag as well. So let's include the p tag here, and let's include the p tag here as well. And here after this I'll use the hr so that it will be more clear to understand. Now if you see here in the browser, now you will get the user who that post. Suppose here you can see Ranjit has I post, this is the first post and this is the third post, and this user has second post and this user has the fourth post. So in this way you can load the many data that belongs to one user. So what we have done is that we first for is we have we use the for each loop and we got the username, and again this we use, and we use our relationship name. Again we use this variable and use the relationship name, and we again loop as a post and we got a post title. So in this way you can do one to many relationship. So I hope you guys understood, and I'll see you in the next video. And one more thing is that you can also do with. So if you write here with, so it finds all the users with a post and without a post also, so it get all the users. And if you want to see where is your post, here you can see. So this was for this video guys, and I'll see you in the next video.